I know sometimes you've got this vision and the dream you need to achieve, and you've reached home that the people you care so much about get to understand it, or at least a single person could get to believe in it. But they don't. What you have to understand is that the vision was not given to them. God gave that vision to you. So it's your work to nurture it to grow. And to grow so big that everyone else will be able to see and understand it. But you have to know that this doesn't come easy. There'll be times that you'll have to be your own cheerleader, to cheerlead yourself on your parade to success. When you feel rejected, cheerlead yourself. When you feel misunderstood, cheerlead yourself. When you feel betrayed, cheerlead yourself. When you feel nobody cares, cheerlead yourself. When you feel alone, cheerlead yourself. When you feel afraid, cheerlead yourself. With fear on one hand and passion on another, continue parading yourself in your journey until you get to where you want to be. One day you'll be amazed that one person has joined your parade, then the second one, then the third one, until the number outgrows itself. But the question is, are you willing? Are you willing? Are you willing to walk alone for some time in this journey? Are you willing to be misunderstood? Are you willing to accept rejections? Are you willing to be disciplined? Are you willing to sacrifice? To sacrifice great time with friends? To sacrifice your holidays, your leisure time, and that sleep? Are you willing? Are you willing to be different? Are you willing to do the things a day others won't do in order to have the things tomorrow others won't have?